Hello and welcome back to BHM University. My name is Nate and today we're going to be unboxing the new Baja Raptor 4-wheel from Pride Mobility. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started on taking this crate apart. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and put some work gloves on due to this crate having quite a few splinters on it. As well as I'm going to go ahead and use a tool to take this crate apart today. You can, however, go ahead and take these clips off with your hand. It is very tough to do, but it can be done, just like so. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and use the tool, so let's get started. All right, so now that we have that all opened up, let's go ahead and take some of this foam off and reveal our scooter. Now you're also going to notice that it has a protective foam around all four wheels, and it's also got some plastic around the seat to keep that nice and safe during shipping. So let's go ahead and take all that foam off. And please allow us just a second so we can go ahead and get some of this cleaned up, and we'll be right back. All right, now that we got all that trash out of the way, let's go ahead and get this seat unpacked. You can start by tearing all this plastic off, or you can cut it. If you're going to cut it, please do be very careful not to cut that seat, as it is right there and it's very easy to cut. But a lot of plastic. There is plastic on the arms, plastic all the way around. Plastic everywhere. To raise the seat, there's a handle on this side here. We could just lift up on that and go ahead and raise that seat all the way up. You're going to see that we have a headrest here in the back. We'll go ahead and take the plastic off of that, and just like a car, we'll go ahead and slide that through the top just like so, and let that clip on down just like that. Now over here on the handle, we do have a set of keys that we'll go ahead and cut off here. This set of keys is going to be your keys for the scooter. It's also going to be the keys to open up the trunk. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now that we're back here, you're gonna notice that there's a little keyhole down here. We're gonna take our keys and go ahead and unlock that trunk. Just like so. We're gonna tip the whole seat forward. You're going to notice over here we do have a little prop, so we can prop that seat up so that we don't have to hold it the whole time. Let's go ahead and take this foam out of the way. Right away you're going to notice your owner's manual right up front. Let's go ahead and set that aside. Here we do have a battery charger. We can go ahead and leave that in the trunk. And here we have a set of mirrors that we can go ahead and attach. If you notice at first, if your scooter doesn't turn on right away, there is a battery disconnect button down here. Just stick your finger in there and make sure that that button is engaged, and that's going to ensure that your scooter will turn on. So let's go ahead and shut that. As you may have noticed while opening up that trunk, in this owner's manual we do have a USB adapter that can plug into our charging port on the scooter. That's for things like our phones and stuff. So let's go ahead and go over some of our controls of the scooter. We'll go ahead and turn it on down here with the ignition. Just like so. Up here we do have a low speed and a high speed. We have a forward and a reverse switch. We have our light controls. We do have a horn, and we do have our throttle. Now on the other side we have turn signals. We have a high and a low lights, and we do have our brake as well. So that pretty much covers all of that. Now, as you may have noticed earlier in the video, this scooter is strapped down to the crate. It has these nice orange straps to it. It's on both the front and back. It's held down by some ratchet straps. So we'll go ahead and get that undone. We'll just undo that like a typical ratchet strap, just like so. Go ahead and pull that strap all the way through so that you can pull it through all of the loops and all of the axles and completely free our scooter. Now we'll go to the back side and take the strap off there. Just like on the front, we'll go ahead and untie it here. Nice simple knot to untie. Just like so. And we'll undo that strap all the way. Pull it all the way through. And completely free our scooter from the pallet. Now while we're back here, I would like to take a moment to to point out and show you this neutral and drive switch. So currently it is up, which is in neutral. If we push it down, that's going to put this scooter in drive, ready to roll. Thank you for watching BHM University. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Now let's roll out.